Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In today's lesson, I'll be showing you how to set Blender to millimeters. You need to go to the Scenes option on the right hand side, select Metric in the Unit System, select Length, then select Millimeters. Change your unit of scale to 0.001. Enter. If you observe your grid lines disappear, you need to go to the Viewpoints Overlay, Scale, change to 0.001, Enter. To ensure that this setting is retained each time you start Blender, you go to File, Defaults, Save Startup File, and Overwrite. What this does is override your default startup with the configuration you have just saved. I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful.